Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this super cute bear pony tie. It's easy, beginner-friendly, and makes a perfect handmade hair accessory. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. For this project, I am using a medium weight acrylic yarn along with a 3.5mm crochet hook. You will also need a standard round hair elastic to form the base of your scrunchie. Start by making a slip knot. Chain 10 stitches. Add 1 extra turning chain. Skipping the very first chain on your hook. Work single crochet stitches into the back bumps of each chain, all the way down to the end. When you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work, working the band back loop only. From this round onward until the very end, we will be working exclusively in the back loops only. Continue working single crochet stitches in the back loop of each stitch across. When you reach the end of a row, chain 1, turn your work, and repeat. Keep repeating this ribbing pattern until your piece is long, enough to wrap comfortably around your hair elastic. For this scrunchie, I worked a total of 41 rounds, which measured about 24 centimeters. Once you reach your desired length, chain 1 and leave a long tail of yarn to sew the ends together. Thread your yarn tail onto a yarn needle. Align the 2 short ends of your crocheted strip, joining the back loop of one side to the front loop of the other side. Sew all the way across to close the tube, fasten off, and secure your yarn. Take your round hair elastic, push it through the center of your crocheted tube, and fold the fabric neatly over the elastic. Now, let's make the cute little cat ears using our second contrasting color yarn. Attach your second color yarn anywhere along the scrunchie band. Chain 1, then work for single crochet stitches in total. Chain 1 and turn. Work 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Start with a decrease over the first 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and finish with a decrease over the final 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Work a decrease over the first 2 stitches, then a decrease over the remaining 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Work a final decrease across your last 2 stitches. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Count out a comfortable distance along your scrunchie band and repeat the exact same steps to create the second ear. To give our scrunchie a clean, polished look, we are going to add a final outline border. Reattach your main color yarn anywhere on the scrunchie band. Chain 1 and work a single crochet into the same space. Work a round of single crochets all the way around the band, neatly working your way up and around the edges of the cat ears. At the pointed top of each ear, work 2 single crochet stitches into the same spot to keep it sharp. Once you loop all the way back to your starting point, cut your yarn leaving a small tail. Create an invisible join using your yarn needle and weave in all loose ends. And look at that! Your adorable cat ear crochet scrunchie is completely finished. You can make these in so many fun, different color combinations. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoy it, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!